In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create AWS Architecture Diagram in Draw.io. To do that, first head over to drawio.com and from in there input right here the diagram that you want. For example, let's input right here AWS diagram for business. Then click on this generate option. To take note that you don't need to log in or register, so you can just click on that and it will create a diagram for you. Also ensure that your JavaScript is enabled so it can actually use your Draw.io right here. So just wait for this to finish onto this. So right now we have in here this particular diagram. We have this. You can just see how it would look like all together into this part. And here is our AWS. Now, if you want to start from scratch, you can also do so by adding right here some elements. You can click onto this more shapes that we have. And then for that, scroll down and then just locate the kind of AWS you want. It's under networking. You can enable AWS 17 as well as 18, 2025, 3D, and the likes. So just head over and click on apply and it will be added right here. So just expand the AWS. It can be for analytics or other option. And then just proceed to add that right here. And then just proceed to connect your things that you have right there all together in order to create a diagram. Your diagram is not complete without a directional tool, which is something like an arrow. So just make sure to add those right here and then snap that to grid. And then just using here the actual elements that you wish to use using this particular part. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video successfully helped you out with everything you need to know about your IO. Thank you so much for watching.